We have a new textbook at XYZ Textbooks, Trigonometry. I'm Pat McCaig, and I'm the author of the Trigonometry book. I want to tell you about a few features we have in the book. Number one, we have a condensed review. So we have two sections of review, and by the third section of the book, students are right into their first definition for the trigonometric functions. We cover identities early. We cover them early in chapter 1. It's kind of a light look at identities, and we cover them in more detail later in the book. We have a whole bunch of videos that are associated with the book. In fact, every example in the book is worked on video by a variety of people. And a lot of these people are student instructors that your students will identify with. We have QR codes and spotlights. So the QR codes are in the print book, and when a student scans those QR codes, the videos for that section of the book will come up on their iPhone or tablet. So even if students are working in their print book and they don't have access to the internet or whatever, they still have access to all the videos. Then in the book we have printed spotlights of the different student instructors. So we have this back and forth between print and digital. The students that are taking the class will see the student instructors on the videos. When they look in their print book, they'll see little spotlights that highlight some of the ways that those students were successful in mathematics themselves. So we think we have the best integration of print and digital anywhere, of any publisher. And it's because of the QR codes and spotlights in the print books and the videos and all of that in the eBooks. We're adding some before class worksheets, so your students can take these worksheets, download them, whatever, and do work some problems and look at some videos before they get to class. Kind of a flipped classroom type thing. Okay, as far as supplements go, we have a complete solutions manual, that's for you. We have a student solutions manual, that's for your students. We have a test bank, printed test bank for you, and we have PowerPoint slides for every section of the book. So there's more to the book than just this, but I did a little video for your students, and it's right at the beginning of section 1.1. So I'm going to play that video for you now, and so you can see some of the other things associated with the book. But I want to welcome you to Trigonometry and XYZ Textbooks, and I think you're going to like this book. Hello, I'm Mr. McCaig, and I'm the author of the textbook you're going to be using for this course, and I want to welcome you to Trigonometry. If you've purchased the textbook or you've purchased a pass to the XYZ Textbooks website, then you're going to have access to all of the ebooks that we have on that site. So if you run across something from intermediate algebra or another class that you can't quite remember, you can always go to the website, pick up a book with that topic in it, and watch the videos and work the problems in that book. So you have access to all of the ebooks on our site. So if you need to review something, it's there for you. Now, I want to tell you that you're going to find real quickly that we have lots of videos on the website. In fact, we have over 14,000 videos. And a lot of those videos are done by students just like you. All of these students are paid for the time that they work with us. They all make more than minimum wage, and they're really happy with their jobs. And I think you'll see that when you look at the videos. So I want to tell you that the sections in the book, what you're going to see are some welcome videos, instructional videos. That's where you'll see me and some other instructors and the student instructors working problems for you. We have progress checks where you can practice with our online homework system. It's problems very similar to the examples in the book, and you'll see that when you get into the book. We're also going to put in some success skills, some interviews with some of our student instructors so you can get to know them a little bit better. And then we're also going to have some enrichment problems, and these are problems or videos on things I think are interesting in and around mathematics. Now, the two things you're going to see the most often are the instructional videos and the progress checks. You'll see some welcome videos, some success skills, some interviews, and some enrichment problems, but not in every section in particular. So I want to welcome you to Trigonometry. I think it's going to be a great experience for you, and I'll come back and work a couple of problems.